English Capsule. You're welcome.
The long vowel sound, I, in a short story.
Part 1.
Long I, E.
First of all, what's the difference between short vowel sound, I, and long vowel sound, I?
1,
Kit, kite,
Kit, kite,
2,
pin, pine,
pin, pine,
3,
rip, ripe,
rip, ripe,
4,
fin, fine,
thin, fine.
And now let's listen to the story.
Wake up, Mike. 1,
My name is Mike. I ride my bike at 9 o'clock.
Two,
I hike up to the pines at 10 o'clock.
3,
I dive in the lake and swim in waves at 5 o'clock.
4.
It is time to wake up, Mike.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe.